I'm joining the sleeve now, I'll join only the sides of it, the two sides. So I'll join the second side too. You may pin the lining and the fabric together if you need to, so it will not shift. So I'll just turn and I'll go and iron it. Now let me do the flare too. This is the flare for the sleeve, so I'm just going to join it the same way I joined the flare for the bodice too. You will lay the fabric on the lining, then you will sew the lower edge first before you join the sides. Okay, my blouse is getting ready. What is left is the sleeve. So this is the sleeve. Remember, we have put the lining on it. This is the flare under it. Remember, I said it's going to be a peacock flare. The front will be shorter than the back. I've also turned that. I've ironed it. These are the two flares. Then what I'll do now, I'll first of all go and join the flare with the upper part. If there is any excess on it, I will pleat it at the middle. You understand? So watch how I'm going to do it. When this is done, then I will now fix it on the blouse. So I'll centralize it, notch the middle, I'll notch the middle of the flare too. Then I'll start the sewing from the side so I can pleat whatever is excess at the middle. So I'm starting the sewing from the side. There's going to be just a little excess, but it's fine. I'll pleat it at the middle there. Can you see it? So I'll sew the second one too before I'll now fix it on the sleeve. So I'm just about to fix this sleeve, and I loosed the side a bit. You know, we have joined the side before. I loosed it down with like 3 inches. Then I centralized. Okay, my sleeve is already centralized. Let me notch it again with the lining. Then I'm going to pin it. It's always good to pin, so the lining will not be shifting under the clothes. So I'll pin it like that. Then I'll start sewing from the shoulder, from the midpoint of my shoulder. This is the midpoint of my shoulder. So I'm going to put the mid of my sleeve to the midpoint of my shoulder like this. Then I'll start sewing. Here the sleeve is on top, and I'll sew it down to the armhole. I turn it to the other side. On this side, the bodice will be on top, while the sleeve will be below. Make sure you hold both the bodice and the sleeve together. So I'm done fixing the sleeve, and then I'll join the sides. I'm going to start from the flare, half-inch sewing. So at this point, I'll check. Remember, my round sleeve is 12 divided by 2, that's 6. So I already know where the wideness of my sleeve will be. So I'm going to follow the previous sewing line to join the sides of the bodice. So let me turn it so we can see the outcome. So can you see? This is my sleeve, and it's a simple way of sewing it. So I'm going to sew the other side too, the exact same way. So my blouse is ready. Can you see the sleeves? See the other sleeve too. Look at the peplum. The flare on the waistline, it's a bit stiff, And the reason is because you remember we put a stay inside it. So then look at the back. Can you see my own zipper? You can see that everything is relaxed and neat. You can't really do without ironing. You must make sure you iron everything. See the flare, and then that comes to the end of the peplum blouse tutorial.